let's learn how to update the colors on the Terrace template. So it's very easy to update because we created the template using the variables, and you can just go here to the variables, the colors collection, and here you can just click to update any color that you want, right? So let's just change this to blue. And then of course, if you go here, you have that, you'll see that we have some updates already reflected here on a few pages. Of course, we have some icons here, so if you want to change the color of these icons, you might need to go to the Figma file and re-export them in the proper color that you want. Also, let me just give you another tip about the colors. So if you take a dark color and then just, let's say, just change to another color, but a very light and bright version of this color, then of course you have some contrast issues across the pages. And the reason for that is obvious, just because dark colors are being used for the background of sessions, and we have some texts that are using usually white for the actual text color, right? So just be careful when updating the colors to not make the mistake of changing a color that is dark, that's being used for a background, for a very light version of another color tone. And that should be it. Also about the text styles, if you click here, I mean, if you are already know how to work with Client First, which is the style system, that will be pretty easy for you. But let's say you are new and you don't know about Client First, and let's say you want to change the color of this text color, right? So you just select here, and you can see that you just select the heading style H4. And then if you just go here and start to change the color, you might think that this is a good idea, but this is a class that is not used for styling colors. So you have a lot of issues on other pages that use the same class because you don't want to actually update the color here on this class, right? So how then you can update the color? It's very simple. You can just look for the parent div, right? And you can search for text color and then the name of the color. And then of course, if you want to change that, let's say to a gold color, we can just remove this class and type text dash color dash, and then you can see that we have a lot of options here. And then of course you can just change to the one that you want, and that's it. And let's say you want to create a new color, you just create it here, a new variable with the color. So just let's call it new blue, and then let's just give some color here, right? All right, so let's say you want to change and add this new color to this text. You can just remove the class, and then you need to create a class with text that dash color dash new dash blue. And then here you need to link the variable, which is the new one you just create. Of course, the design looks awful, but that's just for the purpose of teaching you how to update the color and how to actually create a new text color. So every time you want to change the color of a text, just create a new div, put the text inside, and then of course just set on this new div the class of text color and the color that you want. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you on the next video. Bye.